Let's make very desi style keema and cheese panini. These paninis are great for picnics and lunch boxes as well because they taste really good even if they're cold. If you can't find panini bread, use any bread that you can find easily. So let's begin. I've taken some oil here and I'm adding some minced garlic and minced pepper or capsicum, whatever you call it, along with cumin seeds. Stir fry only for a few seconds until they are aromatic and then add the keema or minced. I'm using chicken here. Once the keema is brown, add all the spices that are listed on the screen and then mix everything. The keema doesn't take long because it's chicken, so it cooks very fast. Add chopped coriander or cilantro at the end and let it cool down. This keema mixture will easily give you 4 paninis, but I'm making only 2 because I needed only 2. I was asked this in one of the comments as well, that your recipe shows a bigger amount of food but then you show at the end very less amount of food. It's just because I cannot make a lot of food for the sake of video and then waste it. So I make it as much as I needed, and then the remaining filling and everything I keep it in the fridge and we can eat it again for dinner or lunch next day. So there's no food wastage here for the sake of videos. Anyway, assemble the paninis and then air fry them or make them in the oven. Once the paninis are cooked, you can add some lettuce and mayonnaise in them, but we just like them this way only. I hope you like the recipe and enjoy.